Donnie Pangilinan!
Tayo'y sumiklab. Matirang matibay, bawal mga pasaway. Kahit sino man sa amin iharap. Sa pulang langit, makikita ang lakas. La playa.
Palakpakan naman po natin ang cast ng Roja.
Yeah, actually kami rin, first time namin mapanood tong teaser na to. And I think, just looking at it now, hindi nawawala talaga yung intensity ng Roja, yung buong series. Kasi palaging may mga tanong kung anong mangyayari next, kung mamamatay ba tong tao na to, kung paano nila may escape tong problema na to. So, the most interesting part for me was looking at it now, kung gaano kalayo yung itsura naming lahat. Simula nung nag-start kami, na sobrang relax lang tayo, happy-happy doon sa resort. Tapos ito, si Tito Joel halos parang mukha ka ng, hindi ko alam eh, parang
Wow. I can't say there's a certain one. Yung nakita nyong may bomba sa pier. That was one of the first times.
Grabe naman yung totoong bomba.
Mukha siyang bomba
Baka
talaga.
magalit yung friend sa
Okay,
akin.
okay. So to clarify,
Oo.
totoong pagsabog,
Hindi siya-
pero
oo.
hindi siya legit. Legit.
Oo naman.
Okay. Just to be safe. Safety precaution. Okay, yun po. Donnie, kasi na-mention ni Kyle kanina na yun nga, daming sugat. Did it ever come to a point na medyo may risk for injury? Kasi nga, syempre, ma-action, it needs to look real.
Did it ever come or was there ever a
Was
time na
there
hindi?
ever?
Na hindi. Kasi lahat po ng action scenes namin, I think every time papasok kami sa set, parang may usapan na kami na kung may mangyayari man, of course, you don't want that to happen. Pero kung may masasaktan na konti or hindi mo maiwasan na may mangyari, we're all in this together talaga. So I think that's the most important part kung gagawa ka ng scene with someone, yung co-actor or actress mo. Mag-uusap kayo, uy, ito gagawin ko. Siyempre, mag-rehearse kayo. Pero pag nandun na kasi sa action, sa scene mismo, minsan hindi mo maiwasan. So yeah, there were times na na-injure talaga kami. And totoo yung blood, sweat, and tears. There were times na ito, fight namin ni Lou. Saan si Lou? Lou, alam mo yung unang fight natin? Totoo yun, may sugat ako dito na malaki, dumutugo. Pero hindi kasalanan ni Lou yun. I think,
Sorry.
hindi mo kasalanan yun. Pero ang ganda kasi ng kalabasan eh. So sometimes, those things need to happen. But yeah, I think the good thing is everyone's willing to go through it kasi alam nila na magiging worth it naman sa eksena.
Tama. Syempre, para mas mapalabas yung realidad, di ba? Important thing is you're safe, healthy, and well. For Miss LT, working with both young and veteran talents po, is there still anything that surprised you or learned something from your co-stars?
Balik. With Donnie kasi, first time namin magkasama. So, nakita ko yung development. Alam niya yung role niya nung umpisa, kasi parang light lang, di ba? Parang nung later on, nung malaman niya na ako pala yung mastermind, yun yung pinakamabigat na eksena. And it took us 2 days para gawin yung eksena na yon, yung drama scene namin. And makikita mo talaga na yung intensity ng development niya din as a performer, as an actor, makikita mo talagang ang laki ng tinaas, yung ganon. So, I'm so happy na nakasama ko si Donnie, na eto na, yung kanyang first pinaka na parang action lead and all sa isang teleserye. Yun, so proud na naging nanay niya ako. And then, with the veterans, syempre,
But I think that's where it becomes most interesting when all of our minds, are combined and yung strengths namin. Nagiging mabuting kakampi kaming lahat kasi parang nagagamit namin yung iba't ibang talento ng isa't isa. Yeah.
Follow up dito, gaano ka kasamang kaaway?
Masamang kaaway.
Or masama ba? O hindi naman. Baka naman
Hindi, masama kung ganun yung mga kaaway ko, yung grabe yung ginawa sa pamilya ko,
Ayun.
taka yung mga mahal sa buhay ko. Siyempre, I will fight back naman talaga. If it comes to the point na yung safety, tsaka yung may threat na yung pamilya o yung mga nasa paligid ko na mahal ko, siyempre, masamang kaaway ako.
Ayun. Okay, syempre pag yung mahal mo nga naman sa buhay is napunta... Yung, Donnie?
I would say para maiba naman, yung role ni Harvey. Ano ang pangalan niya dito? Ian. Si Ian.
Ian.
Siya kasi nerd siya, matalino siya. Pero awkward din siya, tsaka hindi niya alam kung anong team siya. It comes to a point na nagsa-second guess siya kasi nakita niya yung pinanggalingan ng isang side tsaka yung pinanggalingan namin. So parang ang nangyayari, meron siyang overlapping thoughts na ano ba yung talagang tama. And you know, it's a fun role to play with kasi you know, Harvey did it so well. So I think that would be one of the roles na, you know, magiging siguro mas-stretch ka talaga and may mapapaisip ka kung sino ba talaga ako, ano ba yung dapat ipaglaban ko. Yung ganun.
Alright, so thank you for your salita. Lamang. Ano ito?
Grabe naman. One
bakit?
word.
Maybe a phrase. A word or a phrase.
Huh? One word? Bang. Yun na lang. Bang.
Bang!
Bang.
Bang!
Oo.
Kasi ba action?
Yeah.
Yeah. Explosive ending. Pwede, no?
Yes, explosive.
Explosive ending. Donnie, for you. Kung bang kay Kyle sa'yo,
Pew!
Hindi, ano ba? Boom? Hindi. Siguro... finish line.
One word nga eh.
Pwede lang phrase. Pwedeng phrase daw. Ano yun?
bakit finish line for you?
Parang nagets mo na kung bakit nangyari ang mga bagay-bagayan. Kahit maraming kailangan isakripisyo, nandun ka sa point na there's still hope, you know? And as long as you're breathing, as long as buhay ka, may purpose ka pa rin sa buhay na to. And I think that's the biggest thing we will see, you know, in the finale. Is that despite everything that happened talaga sa La Playa Roja, sa lahat ng buhay namin lahat dito, something good can still come out of it.
Alright, so finish line for you, Donnie.
No, I agree. You know, katulad ng sinabi ni Tito Joel, yung justice talaga, there's a process, you know. And that's why we have a system. And hopefully the system can be better, syempre. Pero hindi naman natin pwedeng sabihin na, hindi, ito ang gagawin ko. Magiging Robin Hood ako. Kasi tinan mo nangyari sa La Playa Roja. Did something good come out of it from their end? Di ba ang dami ning namatay, even from their side? Hindi naman yun yung plano nila eh. Tapos sa ano yung next? Justice. Sa loyalty. I mean, everything, you know, leads back to loyalty. Kung walang cheating involved or breaking of trust, I don't think mangyayari itong hostage taking. Kasi doon nagsimula, di ba, yung mga problema, nagkaroon din ng gambling problem. But you can't, you know, just see the faults of one side kasi lahat naman tayo may pagkakamali. So I think your word is the most powerful object that you can have. And the most powerful thing that you can have. Kasi that's so important. Money cannot buy loyalty. Money cannot buy your word. That's something that you have to cherish and really keep into account that this is very important to me. And then revenge. Yeah, there's so much hate already, di ba? Sa mundo natin. Sometimes we just have to let God do the revenge, you know. And as much as we can have grief, which is okay mag-grieve, we shouldn't take it into our own hands na hindi kailangan mangyari sa kanya yan, kailangan itong mangyari. Kasi, what if yun yung iniisip natin, nakakalimutan natin na parang mas nagiging stress tayo, mas tayo pa yung nagkakaroon ng problema kaysa sa tao na yun. Kasi palagi natin iniisip, kailangan niya na, na masaktan or kailangan na may mangyari. Parang, it's much better, of course, as easy as it is said, di ba? To just, you know, let go and let God. And as long as you do your part, you know, that's the most important thing. Yeah.
Pasok na pasok yan, syempre, to everybody.
Siyempre, marami din. Si Liam kasi may blind spot yan eh. Of course, you have to use your heart. But if puro emotions lang ang gamit mo, madadali ka. Yun yung nangyari sa akin. Sobrang close kami ng mami ko. Sobrang mahal ko siya. Kaya yun yung driving force ko. At sa sobrang mahal ko, hindi ko alam, siya pala yung mastermind. Kasi ayokong isipin eh. Hindi ako papayag na, hindi, imposible, nanay ko yan. Hindi niya magagawa yan. But sometimes, you have to look, may blind spot ba ako? Look within, di ba? Or look at the people around you, you know? Maybe be accountable to some people. Kasi sila masasabi. Minsan, may mga bagay sa sarili mo na ayaw mong i-admit sa sarili mo. And I think yun yung biggest problem kay Liam. Ang laki ng blind spot niya sa mga taong mahal niya. which is okay to love, but at the same time, maybe sometimes kailangan may boundaries din. And that's what I really learned with him. So yeah, we would disagree in terms of, that process, but that makes Liam who he is, and also Olsen, di ba? Kaya din namin in-approach yung mga eksena na ganun, kasi hindi naman perfectong tao yung dalawa eh.
Okay, so now this...
I think before I give a message to Liam, I just want to thank all our supporters and ng audience ng Roja, kasi wala talagang show kung wala yung audience natin. And hindi talaga madali yung pinagdaanan namin dito lahat. Hindi nila makita yun, pero we really went through a lot putting up this project. And I'm just so privileged to have gone through this with such amazing people, such talented cast members. And syempre, the most important thing is people we have formed relationships, not just in front of the camera, but behind as well. So, thank you guys so much sa lahat po ng sumuporta sa amin dito sa Roja. It really means the world to us. Maraming salamat din sa Dreamscape, sa ABS-CBN po sa buong trust na binigay nyo sa amin. We were able to pull it off, guys, and I think the reason why we did that is because we all stuck together. And for me personally, I think alam nyo naman, this is really not my comfort zone. Sobrang bago to para sa akin. And I was entering this project not knowing, what would come out of it. Kasi wala talaga akong expectations for myself. But I really learned so much from every single one of you. All of you. Not just your characters, but just how you guys are. So it really is an honor sharing this with you. And because of that, I really see that I really want to continue to learn. And yeah, to Liam, gusto ko lang sabihin, keep dreaming, kid. Life does not end here. And you have still so much to go through. Yeah.
Alright, palakpakan naman po natin, syempre, ang cast ng